Hi, everybody. I want to show you how to do a real quick and easy algo order type. This is just giving me an order type. It's not really an in and out algo. It's just literally just placing an order. What I want to do is I want to place an order a couple ticks off the inside market. I want to take it a few ticks off the bid. Why would I want to do that? Well, what do you think? It's a fast moving market. It's like RBOB or it's Bitcoin, like you see here today. It moves really quick, so I don't necessarily want to buy the inside market. I think it's going to be volatile enough. It's going to come back and get me in a couple of ticks. So I just want to create a button that actually allows me to, or I just want to enter an order that just puts that bid in a couple ticks below the inside market. So let's do that real quick. You'll learn a couple of neat things along the way. First, I'm going to get a contract in. A contract, I'm going to take what's open today. It's a Saturday. So I'm going to take XBT Bitcoin at CoinFlex. June contract. Let's make that a little bigger so you can see it. I'm going to make this a user defined. So by making it user defined, that means I can change the contract. I'm going to run the algo. And I need an account. There's my account. And now I need a field block. The field block is going to allow me to declare the bid or the ask or several other things. Actually, these are the different things you can declare in a field block. For my instance, I need the bid price. But once again, I don't want to buy the best bid. I want to buy a couple ticks below the best bid. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to lookup type index. And that's going to allow me to declare a couple ticks back. So let's say I want to go 3 ticks back. So take a 2, the index, rub that into index. And you're going to see now, instead of getting the best bid right here, I'm getting 55. I'm getting, what is it, 72.55, which is below the market. 57.5 is the inside market, now at 57. So you can see that's just going to stay a couple ticks below the inside market. All right, good and dandy. All right, now I need an order block. I need somebody to actually get that, to tell that to go into the market. So I'm going to get a discrete order block. Discrete order block differs from a standard order block. Here's a standard order block, which has a few more different ports to it, a few more things you can do. Discrete order block differs in that I kind of refer to it as a one and done. It's just going to execute the order. It's going to put the order in, and then it's going to be done. There's no other logic to it. It's not going to manage the order anyway. It's just going to put the order in. So let's map into that. So my contract now is mapped in here to instrument. Bid price. This is my calculated bid price. The field 0. I'm going to recall that price. I need an order quantity. How am I going to do that? I'm going to go over here. I'm going to type 3. Say I want to buy 3 Bitcoin. Run that down like that. I'm going to call this order quantity, ORD, QTY, just like that. And now this order block, and I have a price, I have a quantity, but I don't really know how to get those in there yet, do I? And if I had my problems tab opened up, which is a good idea to always have open when you're designing an algo, it's going to tell me what's going on here. Under problems, I can see I have an invalid block. It's the discrete order block, that guy. What's the problem? The message is formulas are required for price and quantity. All right. So I can click on this message. It's going to highlight the block that has the issue, which is a discrete order block. I can click on that now and go over here to the block properties. I'm going to click on edit. And for price, I created that new price. That new price, again, is calculated using the index and a couple ticks off the best bid, right? Okay, so I'm going to go at new price. Got it? Quantity. At order quantity. Now notice I'm using the at symbol. The at symbol is going to allow me to call any of the blocks that are on ADL right now that are on the canvas. Different from a hashtag. I'm going to show you how to use a hashtag later. So when you're searching for things in Formula Builder, hashtag and at have very different meanings. At will call another block that's in there. Hashtag is going to call a order or fill property. We'll get into that in a second. I'm going to click on save. So now let's go back and again real quick just to show you what we did. We've got the price, new price, we have the quantity, order quantity. Don't need these things. These are the order parameters we don't need for this. This is real simple. All I need to place this order is I need a price, I need a quantity. Real simple, cut and dry, done. Got it, excellent. And Bitcoin's around a little bit. All right, now I have this, but how's this gonna start? What else? I need something else. I need something to actually tell this block right here, the discrete order block, is not doing anything right now. It's just kind of sitting there, just kind of idling. I've got to get it to kickstart. To get to kickstart, I'm going to hit the generator block. It's like this. The generator block by default mode is set to every start. So every time I start this algo, this generator block is going to pulse out a message. It's going to pulse out really a blank message. It's going to scream to whoever it's connected to and say, hey, it's time for you to do your work. There's a few other things you can do in here. I'm not going to do that right now, but this is just going to be at every start. So every time it starts, I want this generator block to tell this discrete order block to do its work. What work is it doing? We covered the work it's doing is it going to get the new price, and it's going to get the order quantity, and it's going to submit that order, a buy order in this instance, because I'm set to buy. I could change that from buy to sell right here. It's set to buy, so it's place a buy order in using the new price and the order quantity. Real simple. What else do I want to do? I want to add an alert block to this because the alert block is going to let me know if I'm doing anything wrong here. It helps me track my progress a little bit. I can check for bugs a little more easy with alert blocks. The alert block is going to read everything up, flowing through here into here. This add OK port I'm going to use to feed into the alert block. And again, the alert block is not necessary for the order at all. This is not necessary for the algo. This is simply, I use these for kind of like debugging to see what's going on. And it's going to put a nice little message down here in the alerts window of the audit trail down here. So what do I want the message to say? I want the message to say that I am bidding, because this is a buy order, and say bidding. And what else am I doing? At what price am I bidding at? Now I'm going to use the hashtag this time. So the hashtag is going to read the message that's coming from the block I'm connected to, which is the discrete order block. I want to read a message that's coming out of there. So I need my limit price that I'm bidding. So I'm bidding, let's say it could be pricing here. It's going to be like 72, 62 half, some price like that. And bidding what? 4, I'm going to say 4 because 4, how many contracts? And hashtag, hashtag, I need the order quantity, but I want the order quantity not from the canvas over here. I want the order quantity from the actual message coming out of that discrete order block. So I need my order quantity that's in here and order quantity, boom, boom. So really the order quantity on the canvas has now been transposed, not transposed, but turned into the order quantity of the actual order. All right, so now I want the order quantity. Click OK, just like that. Now, this is all I have. That's all I need. Technically, all I need is this right here. That's all I need. I don't need this at all. This is, again, just for messaging for myself, so I keep myself kind of sane so I can see what's going on here. I'm turning up blue because I like to turn blue. Now, when I click this little start button, it should place a bid down here for 2 contracts. And you'll see the message down here. Let's see what happens. Boom, boom. There you go. And there's my bid for 3 contracts down here. It went in, 3 ticks off the market. Okay. So I went in and I'm bidding 72.64 half for 3 contracts. Real simple, real easy. Now with that, I can take this algo, I can deploy it. I'm clicking on deploy. Once I have deployed, I can go in there, I can add it to a little button down here, or it's going to be available down here as a order type, OTA algo. Got all that. Real simple, real easy, real quick, well done. You learned a couple things. You got any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'm, yeah, just let me know. Comment, whatever you want to do. I'm out of here.